countries agreed today to participating small signals were a test of the long device of this radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special buildings will be automatically activated by these phones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers were conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on this Wednesday. This radio station, EAS 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Weaver, Butler, Hopkins, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, York, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to a regular broadcast.
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Are you joking me? Why?